Hi there. Thanks for coming back to the channel. My name is Pitt. I make videos about marketing, business and crypto so you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase your portfolio. The title for today's video is Elrond a good investment? Before I get into my thoughts and my recommendations, I'm going to put my socials on screen here. So if you're active on any of these platforms, follow me there, subscribe to me there, send me a message and I'll respond in the usual fashion. Those of you who've watched these videos before will know I go through a number of points of my analysis, which are a result of my research into a particular project, and that helps me assess whether a project is, in my opinion, a good project to invest in. So point number one is always history. Elrond was co-founded in late 2017 by brothers Benjamin and Lucian Mincu, originally from Romania, alongside Lucian Todia, as a solution to the problem of blockchain scalability. And that's a problem that they'd identified as one of the key issues within the crypto space, and it absolutely is. The ticker symbol for Elrond is EGLD, and it was launched in August 2019, with its mainnet launch in July 2020. They had originally launched a different cryptocurrency, which had a much larger volume. I'm going to talk about Tokenomics later, but that was scrapped and phased out in favor of EGLD. So I'm not going to talk about the earlier incarnation of their cryptocurrency. I'm just going to focus on EGLD in this video. Point number two, what is Elrond? Elrond is a blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speeds by sharding. Sharding splits a blockchain company's entire network into smaller sections known as shards. Each shard is comprised of its own data, making it distinctive and independent when compared to other shards. The project described itself as a technology ecosystem for the new internet, which includes decentralized finance and the Internet of Things, and it has a foundation that allows smart contracts to be built on top of it, similar to Ethereum. It's capable of 15,000 transactions per second and 6-second latency and 0.0001 transaction cost. How does it work? Point number three, how does it work? Elrond is a scaling solution, as I've mentioned. It uses what's called secure proof of stake. So SPOS, a consensus mechanism in which nodes must stake their Elrond tokens to participate in the validation process. Each validator is assigned a rating score based on previous activity, which then influences whether they are selected for the next round of validations. To achieve this network of validators, the network runs on 2,169 validator nodes split into 4 shards. 3 execution shards capable of 5,400 transactions per second each, and 1 coordination shard, the metachain. This process is unique to Elrond and is called adaptive state sharding. This is a process of splitting Elrond infrastructure to support more transactions and more programs. Validators are randomly selected in a way that can neither be predicted or modified or influenced. In order to increase adoption, the project also supports developers building on the platform, allowing them to earn 30% of the smart contract fees as royalties. Point number 4, utility. Elrond describes itself as a blockchain platform for the new internet economy, decentralized applications and enterprise use. Main selling point is this scalability that I mentioned in the introduction. It's ideal for decentralized finance. According to its economics paper, it seeks to build up an ecosystem and establish Elrond as a store of value asset. Point number 5, tokenomics. The total supply of Elrond, EGLD, is 31 million coins. So those of you who watch my other videos know that I'm a fan of those projects with a limited coin distribution. Total maximum supply I'm talking about, like Bitcoin for example, Quant is another example. Elrond has 31 million coins, which is very good. If you compare that to something like XRP, which has 100 billion coins, you can see there's a huge difference. The new tokens are minted to reward network validators. I talked about the validation process, the validators in the previous section. The maximum supply will never exceed 31 million, and this number can decrease as more transactions are processed. Circulating supply in October, when I'm making this video, October 2022, 23 million coins. Price. Point number 6, price. Coin market cap position number 38. Actually, I'm just looking at live figures. It's position number 41 and it's $55.63 with a market cap of 1.3 billion. And that's on the 28th of October. All-time high is $542. And it's available on a number of exchanges, including Binance. So it's available on Binance. Point seven, investment verdict. This has, because of its limited supply and it's addressing a very real problem, there's real genuine utility there, solving the scalability, it's likely to increase. So it's positive from my perspective. In my opinion, and this is not financial advice, in my opinion, Elrond is a good project to invest in. There is work being done on the blockchain. There's to advance the project, but there's also a scope for good rate of return. At the moment, as I say, it's $55. It has been up to $542 pre-bear market, and there's some genuine use case there and genuine value to the project. So that gets a big tick from me in that respect. Obviously, do your own due diligence and make up your own decisions. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you have, please give me a like. Please also subscribe. Click on the one of the 2 thumbnails to select another video. I look forward to speaking to you in the next video. Peace.